Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how you can fix lost access to Roblox Authenticator. So in this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how you can fix it. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, go ahead and tap the login button or type in roblox.com, enter in your credential and log in into your account. So after that, you'll be able to see your two-step verification. So right on this page, if you're unable to remember or unable to proceed on, then what you can do is you can just go ahead and press on use another verification method. So here you could go ahead and use Authenticator or maybe backup code. Now go ahead and enter in the backup code that has been provided to you. After that, make sure to go ahead and tap the mark on the terms and condition and click on verify. So once logged into your account, go ahead and press the gear icon from the top right and go to settings. As you are on the settings page, it's going to take you to this page. Here, go to security. As soon as you click on security over here, make sure to toggle or disable the Authenticator app. So go ahead and press on it. And then you need to go ahead and read all of these and click the confirm button if you're sure about it. And it's going to ask you to enter the generated code that's on the Authenticator app itself and press the verify button. And here you can see that the Authenticator app has been disabled. So that's how you can fix lost access to Roblox Authenticator. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.